Hello everyone. Managing elder care can be overwhelming, right? So, coordinating medication schedules and keeping track of doctor appointments and also logging daily wellness signs requires a constant attention. So, today I am excited to show you a elder care helper, a secure, intelligent, multi-agent coordinator designed to make elder care safer and simpler for both patients and caregivers. So, Elder Care Helper is built on the Google Agent Development Kit 2.0 framework and runs locally on a fast MCP server. So, it belongs to a concierge track serving as a dedicated assistance that handling coordination and health logging, but is wrapped in a multiple layers of security to protect sensitive patient records and ensure safety. And so as you can see on the banner, elder care helper is automated, secure and intelligent. It bridges the gap between the patient logging and caregiver supervision, giving a family members a peace of mind while protecting the patient's privacy and a clinical safety. And let's look into the system architecture. So this is the system architecture. As you can see, when a user submits a query, it enters into the security checkpoint, and after that it enters into the security event node, and if it's clean, enters into the orchestrator. So the orchestrator divided into three sub agents, that is uh, medication agent, appointment agent and check-in agent. So this node performs a P2DD action and checks a prompt of induction or a critical emergency symptoms. If the query is clean, it goes to the orchestrator agent, and if it's not, and if it goes into the other sub agents and check the queries, and the medication agent, the appointment agent and the check-in agent, which interact with the local MCP server. Finally, if a response involves scheduling visits or editing prescriptions or post-orchestration, router diverts the flow to a human approval node. This triggers a caregiver approval appointment, pausing a execution until a caregiver explicitly approves the action. So let's check the live demo. So here I'm entering what medications am I currently taking. As you can see, the response is delivered instantly. The orchestrator reads the active patient records and lists the following medication: lisinopril, which is for blood pressure, and metformin for diabetes. So having without having to run multiple nested LLM tool calls, this keeps user experience snappy while staying highly quota efficient. So now let's write another operation. Change my seasonal reasonable dose to 20 mg. So here I want to change the dose of the using tablet. Notice how the interface changes. The agent detects that this is a high impact medication modification and prints a caregiver approval. Here you can see the workflow pauses and caregiver confirmation prompt appears. If I reply yes to approve the change, the agent commits the update and logs the confirmation in our persistent store. So here you can see. So lastly, let's test our emergency safe rule. So now I will type I have a severe chest pain and feel a little dizzy. Let's see what it goes. So you can see here the security checkpoint immediately intercepts the query. It flags the critical symptom words, prepends a bold red emergency warning. You can see here. So direct it to the user, dial 911 or visit the nearest ER and bypasses the main agent loop to display the safety message instantly. So to summarize, our security checkpoint performs a real-time rejection on our phone numbers and SSNs and scans for prompt injections to protect LLM integrity. Our local fast MCP server implements the 5 custom tools that are read-write directly to a local care database file, providing full offline. So elder care helper reduces the cognitive load for caregivers while keeping elderly patients safe, and by also integrating a human in the loop approvals, structured logging and robust safety filters, it shows how multi-agent workflows can be deployed securely in a high impact domains. So thank you.